Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It's Colette again, and I'm back with another YouTube video. 2020. So one of my resolutions this new year is to, stay consistent. Okay, and I'm going to do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna try, but I'm gonna do that. Okay, so you're welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much and you're welcome back. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this boo how I installed this boo on me right now for the new year. I love it. So I'm gonna be posting the link to this hair down in my description box, so if you want to purchase it, go ahead and do. This is from AliExpress. Okay, I don't remember the name of the hair vendor, but I will post it down in the description box. Alright guys, so without further ado, I'm gonna go right into the video. Okay, stay tuned and please continue to share that love. I love you guys so much. Did you know I love you guys so much? All my subscribers and all the ones that are still to subscribe, they're still to make up your mind. Please do, because this is a family that you need to belong to. Okay, and hey, let's get started. So this week I really like it, but it did not come the way I expected it to be. What I saw on the picture before I ordered, this is not what like came in person, but I think we can make it work. I think it depends on how you install the wig and how you play around with it. So I'm definitely gonna play around with this until I make it work. Okay, so this is a Pixie cut wig.
So guys, I went ahead and bleached my knot without using,
I mean, it's gonna be beautiful.
Hair bleach. Beautiful, so if you want to see how I got this done, please let me know in the comment section. Okay.
First thing I'm gonna do is push this away, and I'm going to be using my powder to dim this color down. So next I'm going to apply my glue. So guys, recently I've been using this Ghost Bomb glue, and it's amazing. I have only one problem with this glue. Taking it out is not fun at all. It is so good, I mean so good in holding your wig, but taking it out, it's not good. But I can't do without it. I have to use it. So I don't have any more of my got to be glue, the clear got to be glue, so I'm gonna go with you. First, take it out. Bam, 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 bam.
So because this is a Ghost Bomb glue, it does not really need to get tacky before you start pressing down your lace. So right now I'm just going ahead with this comb to press down my lace onto the glue. Next thing, I'm gonna go in with my Got2b glue spray to spray the perimeter of my frontal, and I'm gonna tie this down. Guys, I'm using this to tie this down. So I'm gonna be using this to tie this down. I have my Goosebump glue on here and my Got2b glue spray. I'm gonna tie this down for a couple of minutes and take it out. Let's see how this goes. Okay, just narrow this down on the hairline. And I'm going to cut off the lace. So I'm going to tie this down for 5 minutes after. And it's been 5 minutes. I'm going to be using my razor blade to cut my lace. This is an improvised for a scissors. I just couldn't find my scissors. Notice this little part right here did not, glue. So I'm going to spray my Got2b glue spray on that area and tie it down after I must have cut off all the lace. So I'm going to be using this. So I made a little mistake. If you do not have a scissors to cut your lace with on your head, please make sure you cut your lace before you put it on your head, because you're gonna go through what I just went through now. So okay. So to avoid this, cut your lace. So I went ahead and sprayed it on Got2b glue spray on my perimeter.
Don't have it. The thing with the scissors, it will do a better job.
Maybe 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes, and I'm gonna come back.
So guys, let's take this out now and face. So I believe it is glued now, guys. Oh my god. So you guys ready to see what this is gonna look like?
So this is how the back look like. Oh wow, I'm impressed. I can't wait to see the finished look. This is how the back look like. Right now I'm gonna be using mousse. I'm gonna be using mousse to lay my edges and like take out some of the baby hair. You just stick it out. Stick it out like that. So what I'm gonna do now is, because I'm getting ready for New Year, I'm going to just use this to lay this down and clip overnight and style it, okay, with my curling iron. I feel like if I style it now, it's gonna have a problem. So I'm just using my mousse to I'm gonna tie this down and sleep overnight, okay? Just using my scarf, open it up and tie this baby down. So this is the next morning. I'm gonna take out the hair and shift it out, okay? This is so pretty. I got the small scissors, okay, and this little comb that came with it. But oh wow, oh wow, oh my god. So yep, yes. So guys, you can see how the back look like. It's smooth and nice. I will not need to straighten it again. So what I'm gonna do right now is to shape this off, because I'm gonna cut this baby out. I'm gonna
so I'm going ahead now to just shape this to how I want it to look like.
Iron, okay?
I chopped some hair on both sides of the hair. I chopped the back also, and now I'm just going ahead to curl the hair, just the front part of the hair, guys, on both sides. As you can see, I'm going ahead to chop the back off like I said, and just shaping it to my desired look.
This wig was, I don't know, like one of the wigs that I have to work on my own after purchase. I've never, you know, done this much work on a wig after purchase. So this one was one of them. I had to chop everything off here, and I had to chop the back. I had to chop some, you know, chunk of hair, you know, here. So for it to look this way, guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it, and I'm gonna leave the link to this wig down in the description box. This wig is about, you know, you can see the hair. This wig is about how many dollars? $54. Yeah. I liked it. The only thing I don't like about this wig is I had to, you know, like work so much on it. Okay, so but I like it. Do you like it? I like it.
So guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for your patience, and I hope you learned something. I'm loving this week. Let me know what you think about this week down in the comment box. Okay, I'm here for you. Any question, any video request, it's coming for you. Okay, thank you for the love, and you have a blessed new year. Okay, and not forgetting my 300 sub in the year 2019. Thank you guys so much for the love. The love is just so much, and I believe that it's going to exceed that of 2019. I know that because we are heading to 1,000 subs, right? Okay, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share to your friends. Okay, I love you guys so much, and bye. See you in my next one.